So Waterfall?
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight. Your team leader. Set a drop point for your squad soldier.
Two of them, yeah.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the side.
Oh fuck, where did he go?
Enemy destroyed.
Got him.
Use your tac map to hunt down the
Holy shit, okay. Oh man. I hear them trying to jump up here. What are you doing down there? Oh my god. Okay, where are you guys? Oh. Okay, yellow. You're over here. Oh shit, no, goddamn! Oh. Run. Run. No, son of a bitch! Teammates, help! Oh my god. Blue, come get me, come get me, come get me. They're right on top of this hill. Quick, right by me. Don't let them get me. Hell yeah, Blue, thank you. Oh, shit. Okay.
I've marked a point on your map containing enemy intel. Capture the destroyer and get ahead of the next death threat.
Oh my god.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
We have enough for loadout. Do we want to get loadout while we're over here? Okay.
Your squad's in the safe zone.
Damn.
You've got gas moving in. You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, okay, teammates got him. That's fine. Oh, I see.
An enemy squad is hunting you. Stay sharp. Loadout drop headed your way.
Y'all come get loadout.
Inserting armor.
Oh shit, girl, you're a bounty. We have to protect you. Let's not be over here by mansion. Oh my god. Well, go ahead, get your kills there, buddy.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Samuels requesting LDVR.
Nobody's bitching. I told her that she should come over here so she could stay alive.
I'll drive.
No, but you are right now.
The enemy squad hunting you is down. You're clear for now. Enemy dropping into the AO.
God dang, bro.
Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Precision airstrike ready for tasking. Enemy soldier incoming.
Priming.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Oh my god, I had to mute that guy. All you could hear was his fucking breathing.
Time's up. Contract failed.
LDVR awaiting targeting data.
Oh shit.
Still confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Enemies are
Sticky,
dropping
are
into
you
the
muted,
area.
bro?
Watch the sky.
Where's that bounty?
Bounty targets marked. Kill them all.
Did you want this precision strike over here, girl?
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Yeah, of course.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting. Mark for
I have
remaining
one,
operators
thank you.
of that squad. Hunt them down.
Inserting armor.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Bounty targets identified. Weapons free. Target down. Marking the rest of them. We've got 10 squads active in the field. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Close. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
I'm over here by the water tower. I'll grab this bounty.
Bounty targets are up. Get after them.
I love me a bounty. Ooh, do I have that? I do not. Oh no!
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, there's one right in front of me.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Oh, actually, let me take that.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
There's some over here too. Got a precision going over there. And then I'm gonna go grab
This is the end game.
that bounty.
High value target located. Bring them down.
Fire solution was bad. Missed. Hey, I can help you out.
Marking hostile.
Ah, no. No, I'm downstairs. There was one right outside and it was real. It wasn't a bot.
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Gas is closing in.
Enemy mover.
There's one right there inside the building in the middle.
Tagging waypoint. Enemy mover.
To your left. Oh,
Make
let's see.
it count.
Oh, I muted that guy. I couldn't deal with him. Yep, to your left, girl in the middle.
Back at it.
Right down there is by. Yep. Thanks. Oh, Oh shit, I can't even see where I'm going. Fuck. Ugh.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Inserting armor.
Inside? Okay. Grab that, grab that.
Inserting armor.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Right here, right here, right here. Oh, he's so hurt. He's got a little fake person thingy out. Oh, that's crazy.
Switching.
Don't, yeah, he's right behind. Don't, that's not real. Lord of mercy. Girl, can you buy me back one more time?
Finish this. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Yep. 4 people left. 2 teams. Alright, good shit.
Get to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Primary objective complete.
Ha,
Good
well,
work.
cool. GG's.